Hello and welcome to our experiment for key activity number 2. Our hypothesis is that the cleaning products that are biodegradable are worse at doing their job than the non-biodegradable ones. To prove this, we developed a simple but effective experiment to see which one is the best. Our experiment had the following variables. As the independent variables we had are both ground and stains. As you'll see, the floor is the same in every instance. The stains were all on the same material, and they came all from the same source. The different stains were soda, mud, and clear car oil. Our dependent variable was how well the stain was cleaned with the three different cleaning products, which are Pinol, biodegradable, Clorox, non-biodegradable cleaner, and Fabuloso, which is also non-biodegradable. The experimental design was quick and simple. On the ground, we made 3 equal stains with each of our independent variables. Then, with the different cleaning products, we tried and cleaned one of each stain. We took photos before and after to see the differences, as well as taking notes of the physical properties on the ground before and after cleaning.
The soil was like this in every instance before cleaning. The soda was sticky, red, and smelled like soda. The mud was sticky, grained, lumpy, and had a brown color. All had no coloration and was greasy and slippery. After cleaning the stains with Pinol, the main notes regarding how effective it was were in the case of soda. The ground was not sticky and the color had disappeared. With the mud, we could still see the dirt stains, and when touching the surface, you could still feel the dirt. And in the case of oil, the surface remained greasy and we could still clearly distinguish the oil. With Clorox, the space we covered in soda showed no color, nor was it sticky. In the case of the mud, one could still feel the dirt when touching the surface, and the dirt marks no longer remained. With the oil, the surface remained greasy, although to a lesser degree than the other samples. But with oil, we could still see the substance on the surface. With Fabuloso, we had the same result when cleaning soda, with no visible trace and the surface no longer being sticky. The mud, although mostly clean, it still left behind quite a noticeable trace of where it was, with the surface lacking any feeling of dirt. Finally, the oil rendered the surface very oily even after it was cleaned, and the surface also remained quite shiny.
Just like the experiment, drawing conclusions is quite simple. On the soda, all 3 of the products performed really well, without any noticeable difference. On the mud, there was one difference. Clorox got rid of everything without leaving any trace behind like Fabuloso and Pinol. In the oil, Clorox also performed the best, getting rid of the greasy feeling better than the other 2. In conclusion, our hypothesis was correct. Pinol wasn't the best one. It wasn't bad, but it outperformed in 2 trials by Clorox.